Guys, luto tayo ng talbos ng balinghoy, kasaba. Look. Kasaba tops. So I put salt. And then after you put your salt, you just crumble it with your hands, guys. Be sure you wash your hands thoroughly. Then I have my tomato, onion, garlic, wala akong ginger, at saka lemongrass. If you have, guys, iput para sarap. So, manuhin natin hanggang mag-ano yung salt. Mix the salt, guys. We will cook this in coconut milk. Sarap nito. Oh, ready na, guys. Pag ganito na, guys, ready na to. So, pigaan na lang natin, hugasan one time. At ating hugasan natin. Yun. Hugasan ko lang to, guys. Tapos lutuin na natin sa gata. Bisin ko yung tubig. So, ito na, guys. I wash it already. Ready. Kunti lang siya kasi talbos lahat. Masarap to. Then, I use coconut milk. Lulutuin natin to hanggang mawala yung coconut milk. Sarap nito. Lagyan natin ng Herbamare soap. Sarap ito, guys. Yun na, guys. Luto na. Basta alisin yung tubig. Lahat. Lahat. Sarap to. Yum. Yun na lang natira.